Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, new concept, that is polymorphism. To understand the polymorphism words divided into the two parts. Number one, poly, and then morphism. Poly means many, and morphism means phase or forms. That means polymorphism is basically the many forms the multiple forms under the same name, that is one name but there is a multiple forms or multiple phase. For example, in general life, water is an example of polymorphism. Water is a phase, water is a name but there is a different forms like water present in a liquid, solid, as well as in gas form. In Java, polymorphism is concept is introduced with the help of the method overriding or method overloading. Now, the method overloading means, to understand the concept of method overloading, firstly we see the one example and then we analyze the or understand the concept of method overloading. Suppose class A, and in this class there is a 3 or 4 method with the same name. Suppose the name is method. This method name has a 3 or 4 methods, and this method has the same name, and this same name is differentiate this name with parameter passing with the parameter passing in the method. The method is perform the different operation, but the name of the method is same, that is method. Then this is achieve the polymorphism using with the method overloading. And second thing, we achieve the polymorphism with the help of method overriding. The method overriding, the name is same but function or action is different, or implementation is different but name is same. To achieve the method overriding, the class will be different, but in case of the method overloading, the class will be the same. To discuss the method overriding with the example, suppose class A. In this class, parent is a method, and this class extend the class B, and in this class also the parent is a method. In parent class, parent method is defined in different way, and in this child class, parent method is defined in a different way, but name of the method is same, that is parent, but the definition of or implementation of these two methods are different. Then it is achieve the polymorphism concept. In case of the method overriding, the implementation is different but name is the same. To achieve to call the parent method in a child class, then we go through the super keyword. It is also part of polymorphism. To call the parent method in a child method, but implementation is different. This is achievement of the polymorphism using the method overriding and method overloading. Now discuss the type of polymorphism. In Java, there are two types of polymorphism. Number one, static polymorphism, and number two, dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism, it is also called as a compile polymorphism, or it is also called as a earlier binding. Method overloading is an example of static polymorphism. A second type of polymorphism is dynamic polymorphism, or it is also called as a runtime polymorphism, or it is also called as a late binding. The example of the example of dynamic polymorphism is method overloading. Overriding is an example of dynamic polymorphism. This is all about the polymorphism in Java. Thank you.